In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix date and time settings in Gmail. If your emails seem to arrive at odd hours, or your calendar reminders feel off, your Google account's time zone is probably out of sync. Let's walk through a clear, reliable way to correct it so Gmail and calendar show accurate dates and times. Start by opening Gmail and signing in. Once your inbox loads, look to the right-hand side panel in Gmail. This panel includes quick access icons, and the calendar icon is what we need. If you don't see the icons, the panel might be collapsed. Click the small arrow or chevron to expand it so the calendar icon becomes visible. Click the calendar icon. Gmail will route you to Google Calendar, often opening it in a new browser tab. Switch to that calendar tab so we can adjust the settings that control time in both Calendar and Gmail. In Google Calendar, click the gear icon in the top right corner and choose Settings. On the Settings page, find the Time Zone section in the left sidebar. Open that section to see your current configuration. Now, update your primary time zone. Click the drop-down and select the correct region or city for where you are. Picking a city in your region helps Google handle daylight saving time automatically. This single change ensures events and email timestamps line up properly across Gmail and Calendar. Next, enable the option that says, "Ask to update my primary time zone to current location." Turning this on lets Google prompt you when it detects that you've traveled to a different time zone, which is especially helpful if you work on the go. If you're frequently on the move, your browser may ask for permission to access location, so Google can offer that prompt. That's the core fix. To double-check everything, refresh your Calendar tab. If the checkbox is enabled and Google detects a mismatch, you'll see a prompt asking if you want to switch to your current local time zone. It may list a specific zone, with options like yes, no, never ask again, or a link to open settings to adjust manually. Choose yes if the suggested time zone matches where you are now. Choose no if you're intentionally keeping your previous zone, and never ask again if you don't want to receive future prompts about time zone changes. And that's it. By setting your primary time zone and enabling the prompt, you've ensured Gmail and Calendar stay accurate, whether you're at home or traveling.